Saturday morning. Today is December 7th. And I just got my box from Hobby Lobby. I had placed an order. I don't know if it was Black Friday, but it was Black Friday weekend, that weekend. Julia, please don't play with that. So it just came in, which I'm excited. So I figure I do an unboxing and share it with you.
I don't even know what's inside. Don't tell. Surprises may occur.
I bought one extra piece to go with my gingerbread village. Oh, and I have some more pieces that came in yesterday. Two of the houses that I was waiting for were not discontinued, sold out, and you know they only make those gingerbread houses for the holidays, so I won't be able to probably see any till next year, and she might come out with different ones then. But I did get some pieces in, and some gingerbread pieces in too, little figurines that I am going to share with you guys.
I see.
So this is from Hobby Lobby, and I ordered it Black Friday weekend. Save these little things because I know, so I can pack all that glass. So I'm going to show you the first thing I got.
It's so cute.
You know what? I'm going to put this box on the floor, that way you can see what's going on. Or maybe I'll put it back here. I'm working on a tutu that I haven't finished.
And guys, I made my own bracelet, and I've been making chokers and stuff. I made this one that's on my hand right here.
All right, guys. So move back a little.
I can't see.
All right, guys. So the first thing, I hope you can see. I'm gonna have to zoom in. These were cute. I'm not sure how much they were. I think they were like $2.99 or $3.99. So I bought two of them for the kitchen. I thought they were cute because I actually, this is the first year that I actually
Shadow.
yeah. All right, guys. So the next thing I got was these peppermint looking placemats. So I got 6 of these, and I want to say they were either $1.99 or $2.99. I can get the sheet, a matter of fact. Let me get my paper.
They're like hypnotizing balls. Right, Mom?
Huh?
They're like hypnotizing balls.
Yeah, so let me get... Alright, so the gingerbread cookie hanging towels were $3.99. Okay? And then the red and white swirled round placemats were $2.99. So I got 6 of them. My table says 8 people, but since I have the runner on it at the ends, I can't really use the placemats when I add the runner. So this Christmas I decided to get a runner. I have to show you guys the table, and that's why I only got 6.
And it's really pretty.
Thank you. 6 placemats, because at the ends I won't, use them. So that's that. And it doesn't say what the original price was on it. Then, because you guys know I love I'm not Home Alone, I love it too, but my old time favorite Christmas movie that we watch all Christmas Day
is Home.
No, it isn't. A
Home.
Christmas Story. And then, so I seen this was on sale, and it was on sale for $4.99, and I had to get it. But I must say, guys, it had the measurements. I didn't bother to measure it. It is kind of small, but it's okay. I might put it in my kitchen over my sink maybe, and it says Mommy's Little Piggy.
I remember that scene.
I love this so much. Let me try to get up close. I'm gonna zoom the camera in, but can you see?
Still just for a little.
Isn't that cute? It is small, but I don't care. I love it.
And also, I remember that scene because he started eating his mashed potatoes like he was a pig.
We sure did.
That was fun.
Alright, I'm trying to open this.
Oh, I want to carry it over there. That one's pretty. It's pretty.
I don't know why I'm going to put this in there. Okay.
So the next item, so let me get up here, is this little thing. It says Santa to the right, and it says is coming to town, but it doesn't say right.
No.
It's pointing to the right.
Okay. Oh, this has the tag on it. Maybe the other ones too. So this one was originally $14.99, and I got it on sale for $7.49. So I'll try to bring it close. I thought it was cute. I bought this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm thinking on top of my fireplace. I'm not sure.
I think we should put it in the hallway because we always have
Oh yeah, we can put it in the foyer.
Because we always open the presents in the living room, and it will be pointing in that direction.
Yeah.
So.
Let me give you the price for these. The price for this one was originally $7.99, and I got it for $3.99. And then the placemats
The original
were $5.99 was the original price for the placemats, and I got them for $2.99. So that isn't bad.
I open this. See, always have scissors handy, guys.
They packaged this very well. The whole box was packaged very well.
They even had, I think they had 4 layers of bubble wrap.
Yeah. There were other things I wanted to get from there, but I don't know, certain things that are like made, you know, with glass or whatnot, I'm always afraid to order online, so.
Because what if it gets broken in the shipping, and then they won't let you get a refund?
Yeah, but that big snowman I got by the tree is glass, and it came
Perfectly.
Thanks God.
But one of our trees broke in the packaging.
Oh, the gingerbread tree.
Yeah, it broke. Oh, I'll take it out.
This is something that I don't want to break it.
I'll pull it out.
This is what I got for the village, although it's not the same brand.
Oh, there's a button. I pressed the button. Nothing.
So this is a gingerbread
trailer. And there's even a button thingy.
Yeah, we need batteries.
Which we don't have.
Yeah.
So
that it can light up, because it lights up.
And it also says today's special is cookies $100, cake $200.
So this is a gingerbread diner, I guess. It looks like a trailer, but it's a gingerbread diner, and it has a little window here. I'll show you guys. But let me tell you the original price first. The original price was $29.99, and this is called the Gingerbread Light Up Diner, and I got it for $14.99, so it was 50% off. It does need batteries.
I don't know what lights up on there, because it doesn't look like anything.
No, there's lights inside, and then you'll see it through here. As well as here, and that's about it. But it's cute, and it has glitter on it. It is. I'm missing, because I'm missing 2 elves that I also ordered, but it's saying that it will ship separately. So I have 2 more elves that I have 2 elves that have to come in still. So I'm waiting for that, and those as well. Those I got as well on sale for $14.99. See a sign. This was my quick Hobby Lobby haul, which I loved everything I got. I can't wait for my elves to come in, and I'm gonna go and actually go decorate a little bit. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed.
And our elf on the shelf came.
Ooh. I hope you enjoy our Christmas Hobby Lobby haul. As soon as the 2 elves come in, I'll let you know. I believe they should be pretty big, because I bought them with the intentions of putting them on my fireplace this year, so I'm just hoping that they're the size that I'm looking for. So when those 2 do come in, I'll do a quick unboxing with you guys. Other than that, enjoy your Saturday, and thank you so much for tuning in. It's Simply Nena and
crafting, cooking, and Sazon.
That's your name?
No.
What's your name?
Gigi's Pink Chocolate Chips.
Oh, she said her YouTube channel, Gigi's Pink Chocolate Chip. And I'm here with this squirt, Gigi.
How rude.
All right, guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye, bye.